You know I told you I would always keep it real. Well, this is as real as it gets. I have a broken water pipe in my front yard, but it does make for a lovely new water feature. Take a look. We had our management company, because I'm in a community, come try to look for it. This is a 4-foot deep hole at its deepest, filled with water. And we run down and into the street. Yeah. That is this week's video, and now you know why that's this week's video. I should be back next week. So cheers, and ciao for now. Too early for a drink. He's always in on it. He knows. This week, I wonder if I'm covering the sound. Probably. Oh, but now I'm covering that. Lord, I suck at this.